gutirio saba
ukirite waku nawe gutirio Romeo ukirite waku
Kiharo-inĩ gĩa thukuru wa mũthingi wa Kĩairathe Kangema nĩkuo igongona rĩrĩ rĩa kumagaria Lucy Wanjiru rĩtabanĩirio.
Ũrigicĩirio nĩ oragani.
Lucy ararutaga wĩra kambuni-inĩ ya Royal Media ta mũthũrimi wa mbica kana video editor. Andũ a family yake nĩ mamũgathĩrĩirie ta mũirĩtu mũkeni na ũrarĩ na kĩo.
Her greatest hope was that we would always remain close, look out for one another and walk through life as one family. It feels almost impossible to accept that such a bright soul was taken from us so soon. Her illness may have creamed her body, but it never dimmed her spirit.
Ni ũhoro wĩkĩrĩtwo mũkonde nĩ arĩa mararutithanagia wĩra nake.
Aliniambia, Kemiti, si ulikataa kunipeleka Israel? Sasa mimi naenda India. Actually aliniambia mimi naenda India. Nikamwambia hiyo trip yako si fiti. Mimi nangoja urudi ili ukirudi sasa tuende ile yenye inafaa. Tuko pamoja. Nashoka notwa jukire ringi. Ashoka ndamukorire ngimuria thiriri. We zenye ubebakisha za majuu man, si tukule pamoja. Unajua Lydia, mdogo wetu Lucy, tulikuwa tunaishi kucheka na kufurahia.
Tulikuwa tuna mahala ambapo tulikuwa tunaenda kula getheri pamoja. Alikuwa anapenda getheri sana. Kuna mahala ambapo saa 7 alikuwa ananitafuta, wakati mwingine tunakula getheri pamoja, lakini ametuacha.
We used to talk, to share a lot, na kogo no juge nie ne jureiro ni murata wakwa wagite kia mbere gukorwo tuthomete nake na tukaruta wira nake na tugakoragwo twi bamwe mabinda maingi.
Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa tabarĩra kambuni-inĩ ya Royal Media Latifa Ngũnjiri na mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa wandĩkani Rose Wanjohi magĩthoma ndũmĩrĩri ya ũrũgamĩrĩri wa kambuni ĩno, onao nĩ matarĩirie Lucy ta mũirĩtu ũrendete wĩra wake na ũrarutaga na ngoro ĩmwe.
My dear mom and family, please receive our deepest sympathy, the deepest sympathy of our vice chair, of our chairman, our vice chair, our managing director, and all our colleagues, the fellow directors. They send their apology.
May the Lord be glorified in Lucy's life. I know that Lucy rested in the Lord. I have no doubt about it. And for everyone who gave their love, their hand, their shilling, everything, may the Lord bless you. To the family, may the Lord bless you.
Lucy arahurũkĩire thibitarĩ-inĩ ũmwe Nairobi akĩamũkĩra ũrigitani kũrĩa akoretwo na ndwari ya ihinda iraya. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma Kĩairathe Kangema kaunti ya Murang'a, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Victor Kenothia.